Welcome back to my channel. In today's videos, I will show you how to create a Chrome profile for Selenium testing so that you don't have a login in every single time you run your script. First, let's create a Chrome profile. I'm opening the CMD prompt here, and now give the first where to install Chrome. So my PC have installed Chrome in program files, Google, inside Google Chrome inside applications. Here is copy this path and double photo inside paste. Now chrome.exe. Now give the again debugging port number. Now give the debugging port number. Dash remove debugging port number 4 equal to 9222 and give the user data directory is equal to where to install the Chrome profile. I want to install in Chrome profile in C drive, so give that C drive. Give the folder name Selenium. Inside the Selenium, make the Chrome profile. Chrome profile. Press the enter. Here is Chrome creating the Chrome profile. No need sign. Skip. Here is Chrome profile we created. Now go to the Visual Code and create file, new file called index.py. I am writing the Python code for the Selenium testing. So now write the code. Selenium import web driver. Now options is equal to web driver dot chrome. Options. We have called the Chrome option by the web driver. Now option is equal to dot debug address is equal to I am giving the address. Give the port number 9222. I will give the port number where to create a Chrome profile. I am creating Chrome profile. That time I give the port number 9222. So same port number here I give it. Now driver dot equal to web driver dot Chrome options non keep alive true. Options is equal to options. Now driver dot get I am giving the path like this. Now save the program. Now run this program. And let's see. Something is missing. Chrome options. Capital Chrome options, web driver options, option for debugger code. address 127 00 922. Okay, same port number here 9222. Okay, and the driver dot is equal to web driver dot chrome options is equal to options driver dot get this path. Now save the program and run again. Close and again. Nothing is happened. Now run the program. And open the browser. See, here is opening the browser. Now close the same and again we will see. And again run this program. Here you see, this is a opening. When to take the login and again when to open the same URL, so no need for again to login every time. This is a Selenium for testing purpose. So you can see how to create a Chrome profile, how to write and opening the web URL, and see again if take the login, so do not repeat again for login. So this type opening the Chrome profile and run and testing the Selenium. Thank you guys.